Okay, this is my advice. Go to this site. I gave you the link. Put the serial number in. Hit that. Hang on. Come on. That's funny. Alright, I'll just do that again. There we go. Just a slight glitchy there. Taking its time. See, it knows that I've got a 15-inch MacBook. I'll just shove that over there. It's a Retina screen. Specs are correct. Good battery. I'll say it's 100% functional, but the speakers don't work. I'll say it's good. You get the power cord and all that jazz. Show my price. There it is, $316 US. Okay, not a lot, but it works like a charm for me because I got the latest of everything, and Macs are great.